What is generic resume? The resume which you have, that is called generic resume, don't work because you are sending the same resume to all the companies. What you're doing? Copy, paste, format. You are sending to all companies. Why? Because most resumes are generic. Same format, same content, copy, paste. Welcome back. Mini series to 9 days job search success. In this mini series, we are going to learn today resume versus job description day 3. In this video, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn resume versus job description perfect match technique. Match it like a pro. Pro means professional. Match it like a professional. In 2025 job hacks. Day 3 job dream job series. Day 3 day 3 dream job series. Do you know why 90% of resumes get rejected? Just put it in the chat box or comment below. Do you know why 90% of resumes get rejected? Even before it of resumes get rejected, before recruiter sees them, because they don't match job description. Because they don't match job description. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method to make your resume a perfect match to any job description. So finally you get interview calls. Shall we proceed further? Say yes in the comment box. Thank you. Now, if you have stayed till end of this video, you can claim the bonus. Free tool to do it in minutes. This is the bonus. Do you want a free tool? Here comes. I am DJ Prakash, career growth mentor, help to 2,200 plus, help to 200 plus job seekers land high paying jobs. Today, I am going to show you resume versus job description, the perfect match technique. Are you ready? Put in the comment box. Are you ready? Next. What is that problem? Generic resume does not. Generic resume. What is generic resume? The resume which you have, that is called generic resume, don't work because you are sending the same resume to all the companies. What you're doing? Copy, paste, format. You are sending to all companies. Why? Because most resumes are generic. Same format, same content, copy paste for every job. Because of that, you're not getting interview calls. But recruiters today, especially in 2025, want resume that mirror the job description. Recruiters want resume tailored to the job description. Do you want example? Here I'm going to show you example. See, generic resume handled digital campaign, but how you need to write? That is wrong. What is right? I'm going to show here. Take for example in job description. Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, ROI optimization. ROI means what? Return on investment. Next, how you need to write? Managed Google and Facebook ads achieved 3.5x means 3.5 times more and got return on investment for 5 campaigns. For how many? For 5 campaigns. So how you need to write? Managed Google and Facebook ads achieved 3.5x return on investment for 5 campaigns. See here, what is the keywords here? What are the keywords here? Keywords are, what are the keywords? Google. See Google. Facebook. Facebook. Ads. Ads. Optimization. Return on investment. Return on investment. say like this, you need to match the JD. This is JD revised. This is JD. This is revised resume. You need to match like this so that you get. See, recruiters not looking at your resume, but the there is one system that is called ATS, Application Tracking System, that is checking your resume whether it is matching with the job description or not. Right? Next, let us go to the next slide. Next, what? Resume versus job description. What do you need to write? Copy the job description into Word or Google Doc. Highlight the keywords. What are those? Job title, skills you have, tools you know, like Excel, SAP, Java, or some other Python, something else. And experience. Do you have experience? Experience means not only that you need to get experience. If you are a fresher from the college, you need to do the projects as an intern, or you need to do some projects looking at some information, and you need to practice the way in your colleges ask you to do, and that is also called an experience. And you need to show the results, industry terms. These are all the things you need to have in your resume, and you need to match the key highlights. What do you need to match? You need to match the key things. You need to match the keywords like this. Then only it will be the ATS will shortlist your resume. Next what? Next is match 1 to 1 in your resume. You need to, what you need to match? You need to match the skills, what you know. Do I have the skills? Next what? Do I show the results? You need to show results. See, not that I know Java, but how much you know? Have you practiced it? Have you done any project? If you have done the project, what are the result? You need to show the results. Then when 1 + 1 is equal to 2, that is the result. Like this, when you have learned Java, you need to write some programming language. If you know Python, you need to do something dashboards, or if you know Excel, you need to show some formulas. What are all the formulas you know by practicing and showing in the videos, or if not something else in the social media, right? Next what? I'm am I using the same language as JD? See, whatever available in JD, you need to have you in your resume also, that should get reflected. Example, I'm giving an example here. How? In the JD, client communication and stakeholder reporting. Then in your resume, how you need to write? You need to write like this: laced with, licensed with 5+ clients on weekly basis, and generated stakeholders reports using Excel dashboard. See, what is that keywords are here? What are the keywords? That's a stakeholder. Okay. Next, clients, right? Reporting. So see, reports. Okay, stakeholders. Next, what? Clients. So like this, you need to have the, what is that? Keywords in your resume. You need to have like this. Then your resume will get shortlisted. Next one.
Hi, I'm DJ Prakash, career growth mentor for job seekers. I have spent 20 years in HR, and I have seen one thing again and again: talented people getting rejected just because they don't know how to present themselves. That is why I wrote this book, Land Your Dream Job. It is your step by step guide to crack the resume, attract recruiters, and get the job you truly deserve with a great salary. If you are tired of rejections, if you are stuck in the wrong job, or if you are just after graduation, this book is for you. Let's make your dream job a reality. Grab your copy now and start transformation. Tag your friend who needs this. This book is available on Amazon. Link is below.
Next is before and after example. I'm showing here. Just look at very carefully. Look at here. There is a job description. There is job description. See the job description here. And what they're asking? Proficiency in Excel and data analysis. What your resume says? Excel. That's all. But here, what we have done, you need to change like this analysis. This is the one word keyword here. Okay, data. There's a keyword here. There's a data keyword here. Excel. There's a Excel here. So, what you have done, analyze the sales data. Okay, analyze sales data using Excel, pivot table, and VLOOKUPs. Like this, you need to match. Next, what is there in the JD? Handle customer escalation via email and phone. What is your original resume? Customer support executive. Where is there? Only one keyword is matching. But look at here. Now we changed it. Take for example, customer. Okay, there is one customer. Escalation. There is another keyword. Okay, email. There is another keyword. Via. There are four keywords we could able to match from the JD. Like this, you need to match your resume with JD. Are you are you excited about this? Are you learning new things? Put it in the chat box. Great. Thank you. Shall we go to next? Yes. Same person, same experience. See the difference. Same person, same experience, but one speaks the recruiter's language. That's how you pass the ATS filter and impress the hiring manager. Like this, you need to rework on your resume, right? Let us go to next thing. What is the next? Are you excited? Yes, great. Now, tools to automate this. What are all the tools there? See, now, earlier it was not there. Now you got the tools. Do you want to know this? Here here are some tools that makes this super easy in 2025. Look at here. There is just job scan. Paste JD and resume, get match percentage. The system will give you how much percentage your resume matching the JD. You can test it. Like when you go to a doctor and when you go to a diagnostic center, they will take you, there's a blood test. They will take some blood from your hand and they will test what are all the in that test. They will check your blood test and they will give a report. See, actually, it has to be 10%, but if you got it less than 5%, then there's a problem is available. Similarly, the job description resume, how much percentage is matching, how much percentage is remaining, it will show you so that you can correct it and you can send the resume. Next one. Next one. Chat GPT. Do you know Chat GPT? How many of you know Chat GPT? Put it in the chat box. In the with Chat GPT also, just take your resume JD and match this resume. After attaching there, what do you need to write the prompt? Match this resume with this JD and suggest changes in bullet points. If you ask this, it will provide you the bullet points so that it will be easy for you. Next one, there's another tool, skill synchronizer. Okay, artificial intelligence powered JD oblique resume matcher. Through this also, you can test your resume. Right? Next, there's a free download resume versus job description match template. You can download and link is available in the description. Next, join my dream job masterclass where I will help you to know more on resume, interviews, and salary guidance. Here I have shown you how to match your resume versus JD. Are you excited? So download the resume versus JD match template from the link given in the description and join in my dream job masterclass. Next one. Like this video, smash that button, like button. Next, comment your dream job title. I might make a video on it. Okay. Next, subscribe for day 4. On the day 4, what you will get? How to get referral from LinkedIn. See, through referrals, lot of jobs get filled. Right? So, how to get referrals from LinkedIn? So, don't miss. Subscribe to this channel, then so that you can get the, what do you get? Notification for the day 4. So you can get much more. Thank you.